Maryland is one of the markets experiencing rising prices steadily since February, and contracts are up again this week. It's Friday, May 26th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Charles and Howard counties are experiencing high buyer activity. Baltimore, Calvert and Saint Marys counties are enjoying steady buyer activity, while Anne Arundel, Carroll, Baltimore City, Hartford, Prince George's, and Montgomery counties are slow. Frederick has moved to limited activity. Homes coming soon fell again this week to 1,007. 852 homes came to the market since last report, which is up 21.19% from last week. 815 went under contract, rising 22.56% this week. 1,304 moved to pending, rising 18.17% from last report. 1,711 sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio in 7 days. The highest priced home to sell in Maryland this past week was in Bethesda for $4,700,000. Rentals available fell to 1,692 units at $2,200 per month, and leasing in just 19 days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 26th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. I'll see you next week.